What's the difference between SEO, AEO, and GEO? Great question. You keep hearing these three letters thrown around, but what does each one actually do? So, SEO ranks your pages on Google. That's the old discipline and is still required. AEO gets your content quoted directly by AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. That's the newer discipline, and it has really high impact right now. And GEO builds your brand at the entity level. So AI engines learn to treat you as a trusted name within your category. That's the newest and the most strategic of the three. Think of it as a stack that works together. SEO finds the page, AEO lifts the answer, GEO makes the brand recommended. So here's a quick win for today. Open ChatGPT and ask 5 buyer questions about your category. If your name doesn't show up in any of them, you have a GEO problem, not an SEO problem. How do I optimize for SEO, AEO, and GEO all at once? Want to win all three with the same move? It's actually possible. There are 3 actions that move all 3 needles at the same time. The first one is rewriting the top of your service pages as a clean 40 to 60 word direct answer. SEO loves the intent match, AEO lifts the answer straight into AI replies, and GEO builds your authority pattern over time. The second is building a proper FAQ page. Take 10 real customer questions. Give each one a 2 to 4 sentence answer and add FAQ schema to the page. The third is earning 3 offsite mentions. 1 thoughtful Reddit thread, 1 trade publication mention, and 1 respected directory listing. Mentions matter more than backlinks now. So here's a quick win for today. Just rewrite your homepage opener as 1 clean, direct answer. That single rewrite shifts all 3 engines at once. Why isn't traditional SEO enough anymore? You're still doing SEO and the traffic has gone flat. Let me tell you exactly why that's happening. Buyer behavior has fundamentally changed. AI overviews now sit above the Google links on most informational searches. ChatGPT has over 800 million weekly users. A lot of buyers never even see a Google results page anymore. Here's the bit that hurts. Even when you rank position 1, the AI summary often answers the question before the click ever happens. And it gets worse. Buyers who come through AI citations are converting at around 9 times the rate of buyers arriving through traditional Google clicks. The traffic that used to grow the business is moving through completely different doors now. SEO still matters, it just isn't the whole game anymore. So here's a quick win for today. Run 5 buyer intent prompts in ChatGPT and note which competitors keep getting named. Those are your real rivals in 2026, not just whoever's ranking above you on Google. How long does it take to win at GEO? Wondering when your GEO work will actually start paying back? Let me give you the real numbers. Early citation appearances usually come through at around 4 to 12 weeks after you start the work. Meaningful brand level recognition tends to land between 3 and 6 months in, and the compound effect really kicks in somewhere between 6 and 12 months. So it's not a short sprint, it's a marathon. The first citation is by far the hardest one to earn, but then the next 10 land much faster after that. Here's the bit nobody really tells you. Domain age and your existing footprint matter a lot. An established brand with decent reviews and a few mentions already in places moves much faster than a brand new one with no presence. So here's a quick win for today. Set yourself a 90-day calendar reminder right now to rerun your buyer prompts. That's your first real checkpoint. Anything you check before then is just noise. How do I measure SEO, AEO, and GEO together? Want to know if your whole stack is actually working together? You need to track 3 different metric sets. The first set is SEO. You want organic clicks and your average position, both from Google Search Console. This is the standard stuff. The second set is AEO. You're tracking citations in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Google AI reviews. The way to do this is run 5 buyer intent prompts each month and note when you appear and when you don't. The third set is GEO. Look at your brand search volume in Google Trends, plus the share of category prompts where your name shows up at all. Both of these compound slowly. Track all three every month using the same prompts each time. The trend matters way more than any single month's number. Here's a quick win for today. Build a one-page spreadsheet with just 3 rows. SEO, AEO, GEO. One number per row, updated monthly. You'll see the truth pretty fast. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.